lot of people ask me, what is the best mutual fund to invest in? As on date, there are 11,800 mutual fund schemes which are active. And for any investor to choose which mutual fund is the best, it's a nightmare because there are so many schemes available in the market. I have the perfect solution for you. I recommend it's a no-brainer and you should invest your money in index fund. Now let's understand what is an index fund. Index fund is nothing but a replica of our indexes like Nifty 50 or Nifty Small Cap or Nifty Next 50. So these are passively managed mutual funds, and we will see 5 points why they are better suited to investors like you as compared to many mutual funds options. So for instance, if the economy GDP is growing by 7% and inflation is growing by 8%, these indexes are bound to give you an average return of 15% over a longer period of time. Now there might be incidences where the return is negative, but there might be incidences where the return is multifold. But if you see the average return, it is somewhere between 13 to 15%, which is great when it comes to average and is great when it comes to longer term horizon. Secondly, it is extremely cost effective. It is very low cost, mainly because it is passively managed. There are not major expenses being incurred by replica of index funds. Hence, the fees charged to the customer is somewhere below 0.4%, which is great because other mutual funds, they cost somewhere between 0.5 to 2.5%. And if you are a long-term investor, saving that kind of percentage year on year will have a huge impact on your savings. The third biggest advantage is that at any given point, your money is invested in the biggest 50 companies of India. Suppose a company which is numbered 50 is not performing well, automatically the 51st company enters the index and the 50th company will be thrown out. That means at any given point, your money is invested in companies which are top 50 across India. So you are bound to be safe, you are bound to be secured, and your money is bound to grow. Fourthly, one of the greatest advantages it has is it's extremely scalable and highly liquid. When I say highly liquid, you will be surprised the kind of money there is in these index funds. So no matter you want to invest 1 crore or you want to invest 10,000 crores, index fund has the capacity to really scale up, and index fund has the capacity to really liquidate whenever you need the money back. Fifth, and the most important point in terms of creating wealth is that it is absolutely in line of protecting your capital. You must have heard that mutual funds do not perform and the investors end up losing a lot of money, so the mutual fund houses, they shut down eventually. But in index, it's been live since the year 2000, 19 years is going rock solid. There is no way we can shut down an index because, as I said earlier, it constitutes the top 50 companies of India and you can never shut down those 50 companies. It is immensely important that your capital is always protected, and I think personally, index fund gives you that option. Your capital will always be protected no matter how up and down it goes. In the long run, it is bound to give you good returns.